So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video I'll show you guys how you can build a job finding website, or we can say a freelancing website or a job employment website where people can, you can also use this project in like the one we always watch in our ads. Get a job in California, get a job in Canada, get a job, and through this platform you can start making money, because a lot of people want to have a job. You just create an instance of a job with a very cashy or very good employment rate and the amount of price to be paid for the job. You just create something very interesting and people apply for it, and from there you chat them up. So I'm going to show you guys how all this works. So in all, what we want to learn right now is how we can create an employment or a candidate, like an employer and an employer's website, where employers can make a post for jobs and employees or candidates are going to find the jobs and they apply for the job and they get employed. So this is a website just like Indeed.com, jobfinder.com, etc. So this is a very beautiful and intuitive site. As you can see, why I move my mouse around, it hovers, you can see what moves here. So this is a very slick, powerful and very interesting project. This project can do a lot of what you'll be needing, and a lot of people have been requesting for this kind of project. So now that I've made the project, I want to put it on live, that it's available. So if you want to get access to these resources, you can also chat me up on my WhatsApp number, which should be on the video description and also on my channel description. Once you click on my channel, about my channel, you're going to see my WhatsApp number there, and you're going to contact me if you want to get this project. So let's quickly see what we have here. So it has a made job finder where you can click on the job. Let me say web design. Let me just say job title. Let me just say web. Let me just say web developer or city. Let me just say New York. There might not actually be any. Okay, they say there's none available, but the job I only created just one currently now. So if we change the location, so let's click on London. Let's see if it's available in London. Web development in London. So let's click on find job. So you can also change the currency. Okay, so you can see there's a job right here. So I'll click on web developer. So they're using a web developer. So we can say a certified web developer with the most needed programming experience to complete a functional website. So let's see. So once I click on this video, so you can also add your YouTube video link of the job. So I added this my project, how to build a banking website using WordPress. So if you need this resource also, you can actually get this too. As you can see, so it's loading and it's gonna play a moment from now. So it's already playing. If I fast forward, you're gonna see it's already playing. So we embedded a YouTube video in it, and it looks awesome. It looks so sleek. So this is awesome. So let's see about the job. So we have the job overview. It's posted it like 39 minutes ago, of which I said I just made the post of this job. Expiring dates, unknown London, salary, wage agreement, 5 years of experience, number of recruitment 10, gender both, qualification HND, BSc, masters, and the job location. So you can also embed a map for the job. Okay, you can embed a map for the job too. So it's in London, as you can see, it's in London. So you can zoom in if you wish to. So jobs key should be on app, WordPress, design, JavaScript. You can also add a lot of jobs key and impute them there also. So as you can see, open door, etc. So this is so awesome. So let's click back on, let us overview the website again. So the website. So we have the popular job category. So for accounting and finance, development, as you can see, one open position. So once you make any post, if it's on under human resource HR, it's gonna be just like this, one open post. If it's 2, it's gonna be 2. If it's 3, if it's 4, if it's 5, if it's 10. So this is so awesome. So the next one we have is featured jobs. So these are the featured jobs. So once you are creating a job, once you add them to feature, they're gonna be on this page, and you can click on load more listings. So if you need the list or compiled list, a lot of list of jobs, so once you created enough jobs, they're gonna be on that list. So testimonial from our clients, I can say these are the testimonials. You can also create this, or you let clients create the testimonial themselves. So millions of jobs, find the one that suits you. Okay, so as you can see, the site is also sleek, it looks so modernized, it looks awesome. So this is the news part. Yes, recent news article. So 5 tips of job interview, and overworked newspaper editor, etc. So all of this can be done, and this project also has a mobile app. If you don't actually know how to convert your website into a mobile application, I can also teach you that. I'm going to show you. So if you need that, you can also contact me, and I will make up that for you to see. So you can see download the app, so you can convert website to mobile app, or you use a web view footer, or etc. So as you can see, so there's a footer right here, and you can say browse job category, candidates, dashboard, etc. So there's a lot of pages that we're gonna see. So let's see on the home page. So we have a lot of home page, right? We have a lot of home page. So if you check on the home page too, so it has a lot that you're gonna need. So anyone that suits you for your business, you can just use as your home page. Because you can see this is so slick. This is so slick. So let's see the pages and see how we can use every or any of this. So let's say for the homepage 3, so join and explore thousands of jobs. So as you can see, this is so slick. This is beautifully done too. This is beautifully done. So this is so awesome that you're gonna need. So this has a pricing package that is to get the most. There are some jobs that they want to put on premium users only. So once you make a payment, so you can also reduce this price to maybe $9, $5, $2, $10 for premium price, and you can target those that want to be. We have a job for first 5. So first 5 premium users are going to get this job. It is so this and that. So with this project, you can use it to create a lot of content. You can use to create a lot of content that's going to fetch you a whole lot of money. So I hope you understood all what I'm saying. So let's see the homepage 4. So I want to show you guys everything that this project entails, so that you will know that you are getting a project that suits your demands. So as you can see, this page also, this one looks bluish and awesome. This is so awesome. So let's see another home page. So let's see home page 5. So for home page 5, let's see, there are 9 rows posting here for you. So as you can see, this is awesome also. This looks so awesome. This looks so awesome. Let's see the home page. So once you get this, you can also browse this yourself and get the most of it. Get the one that suits you, the one that. So this is not like something that 1 or 2 people can reuse. Even 100 people can reuse this, and you still will not be able to distinguish if this has been seen or not, because it has a lot of page, up to 9 pages that you can use. Okay, and to make it very intuitive, maybe this week you use this front page, next week you use the other front page, next other week you use the other front page. So it makes your site also so interesting and makes it very serious and ready for business. Okay, so let's see, this one also looks pretty. Let's see the 80th home page. Okay, this looks awesome too. This looks awesome. This looks awesome. This looks awesome. Then let's see the 9th page. Okay, this looks awesome. This looks awesome. This looks awesome. This looks awesome. Okay, much has been told. So let's go to the gigs. So we have category level, gigs listing, gig single, category level 1. So you can also customize your menu so that all of those unnecessary pages will not be available for user to see. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do all of those. So just stay tuned and don't skip any part so that you can get the project well installed while you follow my processing. So as you can see, you can also put pricing and you start making a lot of money from this. You create ads online like Facebook ads. Just take a picture, do AI of a person to discuss about how to get employment in UK, in London, in Canada, and create an ad, boost the ad with a post and put your website link to it, and you redirect them here and you start charging them for jobs, for agency fee, and you make a lot of money. So these things is so easy. It's easy to make money online. So easy to make money online. You just have to get connected to people like us so that you can get project that will drive the money out from your customers. So we have job listings, a lot of types of listings that you will want. So let's use job listing 8. So it also gives us a map of the job. So you can zoom in and out. You can zoom in and out of London. So this is also awesome. This is also awesome. So you can have a freelancing job, a full-time job, a internship job, a part-time job, a temporary job, and for the date posts or posts, etc. So let's see for the employees. So we have the employee listing, so employers listing rather. So let's see. So these are the people, these are the employers. We have Stripe, we have Figma, we have Astronaut, we have Moral, we have Checkers, we have Open Door, we have Netflix. So you can create a lot of companies for that are giving out employment. You can create also. So let's see candidate listing. So for candidate listing, let's see list 1. Okay, so these are candidates. So we have the job list, the terms, the contact. So let's see the contact us. We'll also see the about us. So this is the contact us page. It also has the dedicated map. So this is so awesome. So you fill the form and you submit. This is so awesome. So let's see the about us page. So for the about us page, so this is us. This is us. So you can just change all of these pages. You can edit all of this. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually do all of those. So let's see for job alert. So for the job alert page, you say, oops, seems yellow. So you can actually create something about it and you have it on. So let's see for the terms. So these are the terms and conditions. So you're going to change all of them. You're going to edit them. So let's see for the frequently asked questions. So for the frequently asked questions, these are all of the questions that may be asked us. So that's pretty much of it. So the next I'm going to do right here is I'm going to log into an account and I'm going to apply for a job. So before then, this guy's already applied for a job. So I'm going to quickly go move to my admin and create a job and apply for it. And you guys are going to see how this process works. So first thing I'm going to hand it to my admin. So this is my admin. So this is my admin. So I'll click on jobs. So before I click on jobs, I'm going to show you guys pretty much of all the functionalities of the admin, so that you'll be very convinced of what you are getting. It's a very slick project and you will so much love it. So we have for the news, so you can add news if you wish. So if you click on add news, so you just create, let's just quickly create this one. Let me see, new jobs in Canada, new jobs in Canada, new jobs in Canada. So let's say jobs in Canada, let's say with free flight, comma, free housing, and high payment. So you can see how you can create all of this, and you can use this to generate a whole lot of money. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So search engine, yes, so you can say jobs in Canada. So you can tag this as jobs in Canada. So you can create description for it, but I don't have that time, so I'm going to just copy and paste. So I'm going to add a feature image. So let me pick something like this. Then banner image, let me pick something like a conference sitting. Let me use this. Let me see a featured image. Let me use a guy. Let me use this guy right here. So category, so you can create jobs category. So let's say jobs seeking, enter tag. So let's say Canada, let's say jobs in Canada. So you can just create all of those. So let's see, we've created a new blog post. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to save changes right here. So we've created a new news. So you can also create category right here. You can create tags, right? You can create categories and tags. So if I click on categories, so you can just name it Canada jobs. So I can say Canada jobs, right? Then the parent I can say under jobs. Then slug I can say Canada. Let me just say Canada jobs in Canada. So I can click on add new. So that's it. So you can come right here and click create tags. So slug, add tag me, I can say Canada, slug Canada. So you can add as many as you wish. You keep adding a lot of tags. It's just one word, right? It's just one word. Tags are one word. So you create as many, so those ones cannot pick as many. So next one, let's click on pages. So let's for pages. So for this, the about us page. So you can off or in, like I showed you guys all of these pages. So you don't want it to display on your home page, so you can publish it. So let's see. Let's click on edit. So we can move them to trash. So I can just put them to draft and save change. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to do for all. So that you're going to see them. So when we browse our home page next time, so I'm going to put all of this in drafts. So maybe when next we need them, we can now republish them so that it will look so slick. So I'm going to show you guys how you can fully customize this project to suit your purpose of getting it. So if you love what we're doing, this channel promised you to give you a whole lot of fantastic project that's going to make you make a whole lot of money online. So if you love what we do in this channel, ensure you hit that subscribe button, so that the benefit is when we make a good post just like this, you're going to get benefited by being notified first when an update is uploaded. So ensure you subscribe, you like, share, comment if you just have to. If you just have to, you guys comment and give a good comment so that YouTube can give me good recommendations and my video become more public seat, try to go viral. So we're trying to refactor what we have so that we can get the best. So page 9 should be the last on that. So this is page 1. Okay, this is okay. Job allowed, privacy terms and condition. So we can, so all of this has been saved. So these are the pages. So we can go ahead and edit our home page. So let's click on edit. So home page title, instead of calling it home page 1, I can just call this home. Let me just say home. Home is okay. Home. SEO. Let me just say home. Or I can just say jobs in Canada. Jobs in Canada. Featured image. So let's put a featured image. Let's put another featured image right here. That is when someone puts in your link in a, maybe during chats or in a web browser, once it's bringing out your site, it should come up with a fancy image. That is the meaning of featured image. So we can save this. This looks more better now. Okay, so let's see for company. So under the company, you can see your companies, attributes, categories. So you can create all of that. So these are the companies that were created. So we can go ahead and create more. So let me add a new company. So company name, I can call this Tech. Phone number 090 since let me see since then. City, let me see in Lagos. Country, let me see Nigeria. State, I call this Lagos. Zip code 1021. Then address, website, let me see Tech.com, email. Let me just work with my regular mails. Allow in search and listing, yes. So let's say company, we want to employ you to pay you very well. We want to employ you to work very well, and we will pay you very well. Okay, so let's see company location. Let me say New York. So now you can now take the map latitude and the map longitude of New York. So you come right here, so you can see. So let's go back. So you can see New York, New York latitude, New York City, USA. The latitude is this, right? See the way things have been done. So you come right here, paste it here, and you go back and copy for longitude. So longitude is this. Copy it, seems that minus is part of it. So you come right here and paste for the longitude. So that has been done. So the next thing we're going to do is we'll move next to the SEO. So for the SEO, what did we write? So you can say Applicants technology. Applicants technology. So you can say Applicants media. Applicants media and technology. So featured image, so let's put in a featured image. So you just get your own image. For the sake of time, I'll just be picking any random image, so there's no time. So then your social media, you're gonna put all of those. Then logo, resize image 300 by 300. So yes, let me say media, something like that. So that should be for my media. Company size about 50 to 100 members. So employer is let me see, Rikishile. Categories, what did we say? Technology. So let's see previous management is featured, is verified. So publish. So we've created a company. So you come right here and you create attribute, create categories. We just created a job, right? Have you created any job? So let's quickly create a job. So click on all jobs. So let's add a job. So you can see it's not really a small work like that. So you just have to, so let me call this mobile app developer. Mobile app developer. So let me say a well experienced developer in both Flutter and that, and React.js. Okay, so let me say that's that. So experience, I just want 5 years. Okay. Number, I want to recruit 10 people. Qualification, let me just say HND, BSc, MSc, let me say masters. all those ones are okay. So you can put as many as you want. So YouTube video link, so you just copy a YouTube video link. So I can come right here, I'll just click on YouTube. So I'll just pick one of my video link and paste it here so that you can consent to how it works. So let's see this one. So you just get it and paste it. So cover image. So let's give it a cover image. Let's say mobile app developer. So let's say page 2. Let's see page 3. I'm looking for that. Let's see page 4. I'm looking for. Okay, so location, let's say New York. Want in New York. So New York, longitude and latitude. This latitude. And this should be longitude. So you are seeing what I'm doing, so I don't need to talk too much. So I'm just selecting. This is a selective process. It works with your brain. So available on urgent job, available on featured job. So apply type. So you can this is where it comes to it. Apply type. If you create a default, they can apply on your website. If you wanted to send a mail, they are going to redirect the applicants to continue the registration on Gmail. If it's external, then you're going to impute the company website. So if you click on external, you're going to apply the company website link for the interview or for the job submission and application. If you click on send mail, it's going to redirect them to any mail you put in. So if I put this mail, once they click on apply, it's going to redirect them to send email to that email. And if you put it default, they will just register on your primary website. So hopefully you understood those. So let me put it on send mail so I can see what I mean. So I want it to be sent to this guy right here. So I guess I feel okay. Then expiring dates, let's say it's going to expire next month on the 30th of next month. Gender, both male and female. Minimum salary, let's say for per hour, let's say minimum of 10,000 per hour, maximum of 50,000 per hour. Then hours, 1 hour. So hours, 24 hours per day. Wage agreement. So when all those have been done, you just click on save changes right here. So that job has been created. So you can go ahead and create category, job alert, job types, add jobs, all jobs, etc. etc. So the next one is applicants. You can see all applicants. So people applying for jobs. So you go ahead and approve. That is when they've applied for. Then you can see candidates or candidates. So you can add a candidate. So if you click on add candidate, let's see. So email, first name, role. So either as an employer or an administrator or a candidate. Candidate is the person that is employing. Employer is the person giving out job opportunity. So that's for candidates. There for payouts. So let's see for payouts. So those that are making payment, this is where you're going to check it. My contact. So we have skill. So the skill, list of skills. So you can add another skill. I can say HTML, status, publish, add, and then so I can say PHP, Laravel, can publish it, right? Next one I can say Flutter, and that can publish it. So these are skills. So next one is locations. Let's see for location. So for location, you can add the location name. So we see all these ones. So once you add it, you add the zip code. So let me say I want to give one. Let me say Lagos. So person need to, so there will be no parent. So it will be his own parents. I'll say 102, 101. But before I create parent, let me create Nigeria first. And let me create Africa. Then I cannot create Nigeria. Then select Africa as the parent, zip code. Go ahead and add it. Then I cannot create Lagos. Then I select Nigeria as the parent and zip code. So you can see how you can create them in a chain functionality. Okay, so that is that. So let's go to gigs. So let's see what's gigs. I will replace. Okay, that is like those Pakistan. So you can add new gigs. That is, so you're able to understand what is gig. So let's add one so that we can see what it means. Wow, it's a many field. So title, let me say channel booster. Let's say digital marketing. I just say logo design. Let's pick anything. Let's see. Let's pick anything. Say enabling feature author. Should be admin. Okay, let's see this guy. So for basic, standard, and premium, package price, I'll give this 100, 200, 500. So I can see let me say better job offer. Let me say serious job offer. Let me call this one premium jobs offer. So something like that. So you just, according to their package, depending on, so delivery time, let me say this one should be in 3 days. Revision, just one revision. In 2 days, revision, just one revision. In 1 day, still one revision. So package compare. So if you want to compare, you can compare added extra service. Then if you want to add extra service, extra jara to the plans, something you want to beyond just to discuss about the plan. So you can go ahead, briefly describe your gig. You can say it will enable you to be the first person to be notified when the job is available. So just something like that. You're just gonna create the content that will be, you have to speak English very well, yes. So just create frequently asked question, requirement. So let me say first requirement, HND BSc Masters so BSc is required. Let me say BSc is required. So showcase your gig. So let's just pick a gig. So just create a very catchy something. So what do we even call this gig? Let me call it first to see the job. First to see the job. Everything's logic. Then first to see the job. So let's see for featured image. So I can just pick an image for featured image. So let me give this guy okay. I guess for truth, let's go to the sidebar. So you can just go ahead and publish it. Hey, it's not easy. So we've created that gig. It's a media user plan. So let's see for the user plan. So you have standard, basic, premium. So you can create a plan for users. Reviews, that is all the reviews of customers. You can go ahead and edit them. You click on the customer. You click on view. Okay. You click on more info. So you can go ahead and let's see for the review. start the pagination. So let's see. So this is third of that. So from the site, people write review and it's gonna show up right here. So let's see for the menu. So the main menu, let's see the main menu. So you can see, so we can remove all of this. Let's remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this. Just as I said, anyone you want to use for that week, you change it to the major. So these ones are not necessary. Let's just make our site simple and straightforward. Then for gigs, we don't need all of this many instances. Let's just have 1 gig, 1 gig. Then find job listing. So all of this one too, we can remove them. So it's gonna take us time, but we'll have no choice. Let's just keep removing them. So let's save this. This should be okay. You can remove terms and conditions. We don't actually need that. About frequently asked questions, we need contact us. okay. So the next one we have is, let's see, the themes. So we're currently using one theme, so let's see settings. So for general settings, so in general settings, your site title, site description, your favicon, your date format, your time zone. Change the first day of the week, so first day of the week should be Sunday. Page for terms and condition, default. These are contact number. Page for home page, that is, use your home page. So for the header and the footer settings, we have the logo. This is where you're going to insert the logo. Then your footer content. This is where you're going to insert all of them. As you can see, you just change them so that they can suit. For phone number, you put your phone number. The address, you're going to put your address. Your email, you're going to put your email. So that's it. Then for candidates, browse job category. So you're going to put the link within here. For each one. Browse jobs. So your job listing link, you just browse your job listing link. Let me show you what I mean. From here, click on jobs. So these things are not many. Let's click on job listings. So from here I can just copy this link, right? Then I'll come right here. No. Then I'll come right here and I'll paste this. So you paste the link right here. Then for candidate dashboard, you look for candidates. So this, I'm going to show you right how you can do all of those. So for candidates, want to click on candidates. Okay, there's no candidates right now. Let's see for employers. So there's no link. So we need employers. So let me click on the job. Then now we know the employer. So I just want to show you guys how you can go around with your work. Okay, so we're going to rectify that also. So that is how you insert each one of them to all those footer link. Then your footer copyright, you change it also. Your social footer, you can change your social media page. Like for let me use my YouTube as example. Let me see my YouTube. So my YouTube is then /@PingsTech, as you can see right here. So I can go ahead and copy this and come back right here and insert for, let me assume this is my LinkedIn. So I'm just going to paste it here. So anytime they click on it, it's going to lead them to my YouTube channel. So that's how you're going to do each and every one of them. Your address you change, your phone number you change, your email you change, your iframe Google map you change that also. Then you click on save changes. So that is it for the general settings. So this is for the general settings. So all of these settings you can set. And let's see for the email email settings. So this, you set up your SMTP. So I'm using SMTP driver. So you set yours. You just put in your credential, your email credential, right? Your email credential. So if you send the test mail, you're gonna see we are going to get our test mail. So Tracy Sophia 99. So let me see. Tracy. Let me copy, send a test mail. I see that. So every event we've been doing, if it pertain to a user, the user will be getting notification. So let me just copy this and send a test mail. So the SMTP works properly. So Control C. So let's come right here and send a test mail. So that has been sent. So come right here and click on Gmail. So let's see if we're going to get a test mail. It was working earlier on, so as I still want to check again. Okay, so along the line we're going to confirm that. Because actually, let me check another mail. So let me check. This was it. Pin jobs, sent mail. So this was the mail I've been getting from what I've been doing. Let me see. Okay, just show test mail sent successfully. Okay, email test success. That's another one I use. So let me register. Okay, this is test mail. Okay, so Alright, so let's proceed. So that's for that. So let's see. So then we have let's say payout settings. So payout settings, so you're going to create your payout settings of a bank transfer. So I created for Naira Bank. I use one of my OPay account minimum to pay 1,000. Another payment I use crypto pay, which were this. So that's all of what we have here. So everything is looking fine. It's looking fine and better. So you can just go ahead with all of these settings. You can go ahead with all of these settings. So let's say for tools. So that is for translation. So you can click cage. So you come right here and click cage. So your cage has been cleared successfully. So let's see for the user. So all users. So let's see for the all user. So these are all the users. So you can do anything to any of the users. So I did verify email. Email verified successfully. Okay. So you can also verify email. Image verified successfully. So that's pretty much. So let's see what we have for the list. So we have the report. So let's see for reports, contact, submission. So there's no data. So let's head back and work as a user. So as a user, let me log out this. So let's register a new account. So let's click on register. So are you registered as a candidate or as an employer? So if it's the employer, you're going to impute with your company name. So let me see. Let me say Tracy Sophie. Email address. Password. So we're signing up. So we've signed up as a user. So next thing we want to do is, so from here we can go ahead and see a lot of things we can do. So the user dashboard, you can seller dashboard, candidate profile, payout. So let's click and see on payout. You currently have 0 earning for the payout. So set up account. So when you refer, so this is the referral system. When you refer, you get money, and so that's pretty much, it makes sense. So let's click on jobs. Let's apply for a job. So let's apply for a mobile app. So as you can see, so this is how it's going to be. So it's in New York, right? It's in New York. Okay, we actually did the map for New York. Look at the location, New York. So if you click on apply for this job, So it's going to prompt us to mail. As I said, it's going to prompt us to email, right? I showed you guys this if it is for the other one, so I'm going to show you for the other one also. If you put it default, you're going to apply the site, you put it to mail, it's going to apply on the email. If it's an external link, it's going to apply on the company's account. So we're trying to apply, so to that, so I'll say subject applying applying as a mobile app developer. I am fit for the job, comma, thank you. So just put attachment. Where's attachment? There's a place you can put attachment. Let's see. Let's click on option. Okay, let's click on insert. So let's insert our CV. So that has been applied. So that's our CV. Then click on send. So we've applied for the job, right? So that's how it is. As you can see, so we actually for Oriki Sile has registered. Employer change application status. As you can see, so we've been getting. I guess that should be the mail we sent. It just came into my phone. If I could show you my phone, you're gonna see it. So it says applying as a mobile app developer. You are fit for the job. So I'm fit for the job. Thank you, with an attachment. So everything is working out fine. Everything is working perfectly. Everything is going really good. So everything is working out fine. So that is how you work. So next I'm going to show you guys how you can actually develop a site just like this. So there are many things we haven't still discussed about, but once with the little you've learned, you'll be able to do all of those perfectly. So next I'm going to show you guys how you can get started in developing this kind of app. So the first thing you're going to need is a host and a domain. So I highly recommend you using Namecheap or Web Manager. So my affiliate link is going to be on the description of this video. So use my affiliate link so that I get commissioned and you also get a discount on every purchase you are going to be making. So it's a win-win process. It's just the same way. Once you click, use my link to click, it direct you here, and the next thing you're going to do is you are going to buy what you want to buy. So you come to service, you can scroll downward to the bottom, you click on shared hosting. Once you click on shared hosting, you come right here. Let's see, 1800. Click on get started, right? So you can add the maximum of 3 websites on it. It's 10 gig SSD. So right here, so I can say pings technology. I can say .com, .any that I want. So you click on check, it's going to be available. So for .com is 20,000. Hey, it's not expensive. Oh, yepa. .ng is 9,000. .com.ng 2,000. .name.ng. Chi. Wow. So let me use .ng. So that has been added to cart. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on continue. So that is 21,000. So what cycle are you taking? If you take annually, it's free domain, semi, quarter, monthly. So I'm taking annually, so I'll click on continue. So no hosting, click to add hosting. What is this one saying? Let's go back first. Okay, it's 2. .com has hosting, .ng did not have. Let me not get this confused. Let me go back to .ng use. Okay, so I'll click on continue. Okay, now it has hosting. So just take only one. Email forwarding, yes. ID protect for 500. Email forwarding, yes. Click on continue. So .ng and .com. So I don't need .com. I only need .ng. Then .com, .ng. I don't need .com. I only want .ng. I'm not so buoyant. So my total amount I'll spend is 3,800. So I'll click on checkout. So this is my due payment. So I have credit balance of 6,600. So once you can choose use for my credit card, right? You can choose use my credit card. Then you proceed and click on complete order. But I'm not going to do that. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is I'll be moving straight. So assuming I've already done mine, you move straight to your cPanel. So from your cPanel, that is where we're going to start the developmental process. So next I'm going to do, I'll be moving straight to my file manager. So I'll be using a subdomain, but yours, if you are doing this for the first time, you'll be using your public underscore HTML. So I'm going to delete everything I have here and start from the beginning. So I only need my main file. So I can click on delete. So once you are here, you click on upload. You click on the file you want to upload. You select the file. So for me, most of my works are here, as you can see. So this is where I will get my file. Then I'm going to click on upload, but I already have the file existing, so I'm going to cancel it. But for you, you are going to let it complete until this progress bar becomes green. Then you That is when this is fully uploaded. Then you head straight back to your cPanel. You're going to extract the file. So right now I'm going to extract the file. So I'm going to extract the file. Then I'll click on extract. So I'll click on close. So my files have been extracted. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to browse this file. So I'll start the installation process. So now our installation has begun. So next what I want to do is want to get our database. So let me show you guys how you can create a database real quick. So you just come right here to the search in your cPanel and you click on data. So I'm going to delete an existing data so that I can have available. So the one I just did now was job. So I'm going to delete this job. Like the previous one we just explained everything about. So I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to insert I'm going to create a new database I'm going to use for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'll come down right here and I'll click on delete. I'm going to delete user also. So next I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a database. So you click on database, my wizard. So we're going to create a database. So let's name this database jobs. We'll click on next step. So name these jobs, right? So just follow up the process. So the database password, so you're going to use a password that you are very familiar with. For me, I'm going to create mine. So I'll click on create. So my database is being created. The next I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on it and copy. Then I'll click on all privileges and I'll come down right here and click on next step. So my database has been created. Next I'm going to do is I'll move right here to my installation process and click on check permission. So it says under public upload, let me change the permission to 775 public uploads. So I'll go to my file manager right here, I'll look for public, I'll click on public, I'll go to uploads. So this is uploads. I'm going to change the permission to 775. So this will be 77. So that has been changed. So the next one is storage. So for storage framework and logs. So for storage frameworks and log, so let me go back up. So for storage frameworks and logs, so I'll come right here, change the permission to 7. I'll come right here, also change this permission to 7. So that's for frameworks and logs. So let me see bootstrap cage. So I'll come right here also and check for my bootstrap, then cage. I'm going to change the permission for bootstrap cage. So I'm going to change this also. So I guess those have been changed. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to reload. So that has been done. So next I'm going to do is I'm going to click on config environment. So my site name, it will be what? My site name will be pings jobs, and this is my website. So my database name is this, the username is this, and my password is the one I created. So it's going to be the one you created also. So my admin email will be Let me just say my admin email should be this, my admin password should be what I'm going to insert also. So then I can say test db, test successful. So from here I can click on install, as you can see. So that is how your site is going to be set up. So that has been set up, so I'm going to click on to exist. So we've been redirected to our home page. So everything is looking so sleek, everything is fine. So our site is up and live. So if you love what we do in the channel, ensure you're subscribed to the channel, because this channel has a lot to give to you guys. So to log into your admin, you come right here and click on /admin. So it's going to take you to the admin page, to the admin login. So for the admin login, hope you remember the so let me see if I remember. So what you use is what you are going to insert. Nothing like if you remember. If you don't remember, you're going to delete everything again and start from the beginning. So let's click on login. So we're being redirected to our dashboard. So we've been logged in successfully. So if you love what we're doing this channel, ensure you're subscribed to the channel, because this channel has a lot to give to you guys. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Like, subscribe, comment, as I said. So if you need access to the resources again, contact me on my WhatsApp number and you're going to have all of those. So thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye for now.